guys, so today is Witch Casket and I cannot wait to get into this month. Apparently we're getting like some little extra goodie or something. I'm not sure. Ooh, something smells good in the box. That's all I can see right now. We've got cheat sheet, which we'll have a look at in a minute, and we got a couple of prints. Not sure who that one is, but that's pretty. So there's the first print. And oh, that one's a nice. Oh, I like that one. And then we've got this one here as well. Really nice prints. They probably go up my wall, like I always say. So let's get into it. So we have a spell kit, bury your past ritual kit. Looks like there's something kind of leaky in there, so let's have it open up and see what we got. So, bury your past, so you'll need a piece of paper, mint, that's what I can smell, it's the mint. Mint for positivity, I can't read that other word, and a black candle for banishing negativity. So let's see what we got. So we got our little black candle, and we got our two herbs as well. Oh, I love the smell of mint. We've got those as well, and then we've also got the how-to. It says take a piece of paper and write down anything from your past which no longer serves you, you'd like to leave behind. Light the black candle, burn the paper in a fireproof dish, set the candle in a suitable holder, and meditate as it burns down. Grind the ashes of the paper with the mint and whatever the other herb is. Take outdoors and bury them. So there's that. So there's a little card, and we always get like a little picture on there. That's of a tree. So I definitely have some things in my past I'd love to bury. So that's going to be a long old list of stuff. And then we have a tea, which is wild blackberry tea. I might actually try that one. Pungent and sweet, and consumed and considered to be. I can't read half the words on there. The text on it is too. Yeah. I'm going to open it up though so we can have a look see what the tea looks like. It's normally. Oh no, it's not loose. So there is the tea. Looks like you get. I've never really opened it. Looks like you'll get a couple of uses out of that. Oh, is there mint in there? Oh, I think there's mint in there again. Oh, that smells so good. Yes, I'm definitely going to go downstairs and give that a go. So what else have we got? What else we got? Oh, a pin. I like the pins. I'm just going to pop... I've got no room in my office. I really need to clean it. And we've got the enamel pin, which looks like that. Very, very cute. I'm not sure I'll put that one. It doesn't really go with my athletics on my bag. But I'm sure I'll find somewhere to put that. And we got a bowl. Looks like an offering bowl. It says, as above, so below on it. Decent sized bowl. I don't really use offering bowls, and if I did I'd want a heat proof one, so I might even just use that for my cereal. That's probably not the purpose of it, but that's probably what I will use it for, just because I like a heat proof offering dish. And what else have we got here? Oh, we've got a little spoon. I'll show you that, so I'm guessing that's actually really, really handy. You can use that to put your herbs in and stuff like that. So a little wooden spoon there. With that I will go back and have a look at the info sheet, which I don't normally do, but I think I will do this time. And then we got a stone crystal here, which does just look like a rock, to be honest. Let's have a read of him. So there he is. Actually looks a lot green. Oh, it's quite green. Actually, I was going to say it looks a lot green on camera. My mirror is here, and then I have a window just here. So the light is really going through that. So there is that, and let's have a read of it. See if I can actually pronounce the word. So it's, oh god, ladderbrite? Sorry guys. It helps you in isolation through times of hardship and change. So this one here is the little extra goodie that we're getting. That is really, really sweet. And that's what it says, with love from Deb and Ella, which are the people that do the box. So that is really, really nice. That's really touching. I wish I didn't butcher the name. But so it just helps you through times of hardship and change, which is lovely. That's definitely going to go on my altar, I think, or be carried around with me. Because that is... I'm guessing this one here, then, is a little extra gift, which I'm actually getting quite choked up about. Getting quite emotional over here. It's not like me. And then we got another stone here, which is Smoky Quartz. I can just have a little look at that one. Let's get him out. I'll get the little info card out. Oh, it's in a raw Smoky Quartz as well. There is the Smoky Quartz. It is gorgeous. Again, this one's going to go straight on my altar. I have redesigned it lately, so I need a lot of dark crystals on there now. And it says here, Smoky Quartz gently neutralizes negative vibrations and purifies, and is a purifying and detoxing stone. A useful stone for dispelling fear and negativity. It helps to lift depression, stress, and anxiety. So there is that, and so this is a gorgeous, gorgeous raw crystal as well. You kind of see the light shining off it. That is nice. So I do love my witch casket boxes so much. They are so good. Right, what else we got? We've still got bits left in here. So we've got an ash catcher with a little fairy on it. So there's that, and it is from Pucktor. I do actually work with Pucktor products as well, so I know that these are really, really nice quality. Nice and simple as well, nothing too fancy, and really, really good. It's a decent size as well. And what else have we got? Ooh, okay, we got Oak King incense sticks. Just see if I can find a scent on here. It just says cleansing and purifying qualities of white sage drift on the breeze. Sorry, I'll start that again. I completely zoned out for a second. A cleansing, purifying qualities of white sage drift on the breeze, a complete aroma of magical transformation of the forest. So it is just white sage. I don't have any white sage either. The box is the green man. It is gorgeous. I don't really like the boxes. I really appreciate that box. No, I don't have any white sage, and I tend to not always want to burn my sage. So no, that is a good one, and I'm running out of space. I think I got one more. I've got 2 more, 3 more. Wow. So we've also got some little green candles here as well. I don't actually have any green candles. I really like to use them for money spells. So I've got a couple of extra. I think I have 1 candle left. So there's some green candles. What else have we got? Probably the scroll, because there's something really, really big at the very bottom. I want to pop the box down to then get it out. Right, so itch my nose. I've got pretty itchy nose today. Always happens when I'm at work or when I start to do videos. My nose just goes into overdrive and wants to itch. So I do find these really, really hard to open without ripping them. So I'm trying to be like extra, extra delicate. Oh, don't rip it. Oh, see, I've ripped it again. Oh, the only thing with these stickers. Oh man, I'm really, really ripping it. Oh, Right, okay, we've kind of saved it a bit there. A little bit of rippage. And it just says, Nature in Witchcraft. I'll give it so there is that. I will give a brief description. It just says about press flowers, grow a mini garden. I do want to start doing a fairy garden for my daughter. I just need to get my husband to sort out the ground for me because it's very hard. And still got grass on it. It says make tea blends, get out in nature, about using herbs, sigils, and to go gathering. So I do a lot of that anyway, to be honest. The only thing I don't do is garden because I don't actually have any just dirt anywhere. It's all covered in grass. But there is that. And then the last thing, I said I want to put this down first to get it out. I've already seen this on Instagram, sadly. So I do know what this one is. And I've already told my husband where it's going. He's not impressed, but I don't care. So, here it is. So it says plant magic on it. I do want to press it down because it's obviously been curled. So I need to press that down somehow, but that is going to go downstairs, which my husband's not happy with. But it says plant magic on it, and it is absolutely gorgeous. It's on like a really thick kind of felt material. And yeah, I really, really do like that. I thought it was a bit bigger when I thought it wrapped up just because it's so thick. So what I'm going to do is I'm now going to have a look at the Witch Casket list of content and all this jazz. So April's Witch Casket, it just says, there is no avoiding the issue of coronavirus at this time. So this month we focus on plant magic. And we pray that in some small way our casket will help you all to connect with nature just a little bit during this time of isolation. We hope that you all stay healthy and safe. To show you all our love, we have added a little extra gift to help with these uncertain times. Please remember to read the enclosed list of contents so you can familiarise yourself with this month's items. And then it just says about emailing them and stuff. So my nose is so itchy. So the list of content was the Witch Casket exclusive plant magic pendant. Pendant. I don't think I had that. Did I miss an item? Let's just go through the list of content. I think I missed an item. Right, okay, so we've got the plant magic pendant, the As Below So Below altar bar, which we had here. And then we had the ritual kit, the Nature in Magic parchment scroll, the herb bottle enamel pin, the rose quartz, which is, that's not my rose quartz, grabbed the wrong thing. So we had the rose quartz, we had the wooden herb spoon, which is, yeah, that's what I thought it was. I can't find it, so we got the herb spoon, the green through coloured candles, the wooden incense ash catcher, and the 2 art prints. So yeah, so that was everything we got in this month's box. Sorry, my brain today is just bleh. I don't quite know what's bothering me today. So that's everything we got in the box. There is so much stuff in this box. I mean, I've just chucked it all in, but it is absolutely overflowing this month. It is one of my favourite boxes to get. That and my FabFitFun, I do love that one as well. But yeah, so I'm now going to go and press this flat so I can then hang it up, and I will see you all again next month for another witch casket. See ya!